apple. A apple. Apple. Avocado. Avocado. B b b banana. B b b b b broccoli. B b beans. B b beans. B beetroot. B b beetroot. Carrot. Carrot. Capsicum. 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 Corn. Corn. Cauliflower. Cauliflower. D d dates. D d dates. D d dragon fruit. Dr d dragon fruit. D dragon fruit. Eggplant. 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 Pig. 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 G g grapes. G g grapes. G g grapes. G g garlic. G g garlic. G gooseberry. G g gooseberry. Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. Indian fig. Indian fig. Jackfruit. 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 Kiwi. 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 Lemon. Lemon. Lychee. Lychee. Mango. Mango. Mushroom. Mushroom. Spread your hand and say nutmeg. Nutmeg. Orange. 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 O, o, olive. O, o, olive. Pumpkin, pumpkin, pumpkin. Peach, peach. Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple. Pineapple. Radish. 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 Strawberry. 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 Spinach. 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 Turnip. 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 Tomato. 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 Ugly fruit. Velvet beans. Velvet. Velvet beans. Watermelon. Watermelon. Do you know any fruit with x sound? I don't know. Yum. Yum. Zucchini. 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 Keep learning the phonic sounds. Practice it again and again. Hope the video was useful. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram. Bye. See you soon. Keep practicing.